front of me is Black Shark 5, and today I would like to show you how you can operate one-handed mode on this smartphone. You need to start by accessing settings and scrolling all the way down right away. Now tap on additional settings and click on one-handed mode. Then click on this gray switcher to activate it and follow all of those instructions. Turn on one-handed mode by swiping left or right from the center of navigation panel. When I do that, as you can see, one-handed mode is on. If you wish to go back into the standard size screen, you need to click on this gray area. If you wish to turn off one-handed mode completely, tap on the green switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!